Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn about TCP over ad hoc wireless networks. So, TCP means Transport Control Protocol. It is most predominantly used transport layer protocol in the internet today. Whatever traffic is handled on the internet is handled by this protocol, Transmission Control Protocol. It transports more than the 90% of the traffic today on the internet. As we all know, it is reliable. End-to-end congestion control mechanism is there in this TCP protocol. It is a byte stream transport mechanism, and above all, its elegant and simple design have not only contributed to the success of the internet but also have made TCP an influencing protocol in the design of many of the other protocols and applications. It means that whatever protocols we are going to design for internet uses, it must have these features, as TCP has become a basic protocol for other protocols design. As we'll consider elementary protocol in order to design a high level protocol, right? This has become the elementary protocol because of its reliability, end-to-end congestion control mechanism, byte stream transport mechanism, and congestion control, flow control. Because of these, it has become this elementary protocol, and it is very elegant and simple to design. Its adaptability to the congestion in the network has been an important feature, leading to graceful degradation of the services offered by the network at times of extreme congestion. Actually, this protocol has adaptability nature, which adapts to the congestion. Means it adapts to the congestion in the network. Congestion means, you all know, packet loss, transmission timeout, those things, which leads to the congestion in the network. It will adapt to it fairly. It is important feature. Though it is an important feature, in the case of extreme congestions, it will degrade the performance of the whole network. This is the most important thing to be noticed when using TCP. TCP in its traditional form, means in its basic form, elementary form, was designed and optimized for wired networks. So it is not designed for wired networks or for wireless networks in the traditional form. It is just a form. It is just a theoretical protocol, and it has been through all these years, it has been optimized. Since TCP is widely used today, and the efficient integration of an ad hoc wireless network with the internet is paramount wherever possible, it is essential to have the mechanisms that can improve TCP's performance in ad hoc wireless networks. As we all know, nodes are very, very important. Nodes are connected with the internet, right? For example, if you consider a sensing node, in order to track an animal or in order to track a vehicle, we need nodes. It will form a network, right? So we'll use TCP there in order to communicate with the network. So TCP has been widely used today, and this efficient integration means we are integrating the nodes. Nodes means nothing but ad hoc wireless networks. Ad hoc wireless networks with the internet. In order to access, we will integrate with internet. It is very, very important for us. So in order to have this possible and to communicate with that, we need this TCP, which will improve the performance in the ad hoc wireless networks. This would enable the seamless operation of application level protocols such as FTP. FTP means File Transfer Protocol, which is used in application level. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and HTTP, Hypertext Markup Language Protocol, across the integrated ad hoc wireless networks and the internet. Thank you so much. If you find my video worthy, please do subscribe to my channel.